Good afternoon to each and everyone. Welcome to Mikasha Cuisine. Our today's lunch is oven roast salmon head with a choy sam, half cup of rice, and of course soy sauce with calamansi and chili. Look at that. Wow. Let's see what we have here. Of course, our choy sam vegetables. And our oven roast salmon head. Look at that. So delicious. Now, let's put some sauce on our vegetables. So with the salmon. Look at that. And to our salmon. Wow. So delicious. Okay, it's time to eat, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye-bye.